And this place is top notch. They're quick, they're fast, you can't beat it.
When we get parts from Alternative Hose, the one thing we don't have to do is worry about if they're gonna fail. They're always 100%.
We started Alternative Hose in June of 2002. Through a lot of hard work and a lot of long hours, we started paying the bills. The reason why Alternative Hose California has been successful is that we worked really hard and realized that failure was not an option.
We've been dealing with Alternative Hose California for 4 years, and it's been great since. It's been good. The competitors we used to use prior, they always fell short on the demand that we're in. These big projects that we have were stressful because we didn't have this. We had to go to different vendors, get parts somewhere else, and go get this, go get that. Now it's just an easy. I don't care what projects they sent my way. I know these guys have the parts, the service that I need. The guys go out of the way. They locate my parts, they go get it, they bring them. I'm a very pushy customer, but let me tell you, it's always good to have someone like these.
Downtime is a big factor. When you have a truck or one more spray rigs on a job and it's down, that's dollars lost. Because I can come in here with a hose that I need right away and they can service me on the spot. Usually have everything in stock. It works out, and also specialty hoses. For us is what we have.
I've been dealing with Alternative Hose since 2002, I believe, when they first started across the street. It was a smaller shop, and they've just grown since then. We've been with them ever since. This place is very clean. They keep it up. They take care of it in the back. They take care of it in the front. It shows when you walk in the door. The main reason using Alternative Hose would be they either have what you need or make what you need.
Our company do underground pipeline, parking structures, utility work. This is the repair shop for truck repairs, also for heavy equipment repairs.
We're constantly repairing heavy equipment. 90% of the time it's a hydraulic issue. That's where Alternative Hose comes in. It's usually a hose or a fitting, and we have the stock that we need in the back. I work on the heavy equipment here. One day it could be a crane, the next day it could be a directional drill, the next day it could be a machine I've never seen before. There's always something new here.
Alternative Hose supplies us with all of our hydraulic hose fittings, manufactures hose for us, sells us water hose, air hose, reels, pumps, complements the hoses. Downtime costs us a lot of money. Either downtime, you got an operator sitting, a job shut down, or you're swapping equipment out, and you got extensive cost and hauling and downtime there. So but when we have an emergency or we have downtime or a re-hose, I've got what I need to get the job done. I know what bad hydraulic shops are and what bad service is, so we found a good one finally. When John came along, and there's very few good hydraulic shops, so I was lucky.
Our mission statement at Alternative Hose is to do what we say we're going to do. And it's a very simple phrase, but people are amazed when companies do that. And we move heaven and earth to make sure that we accomplish that. That if we make a commitment, that we live up to that. Our customers at Alternative Hose are a functional part of our business. They're the core foundation of what makes Alternative Hose run. Without customers, we have nothing.
Alternative Hose has always been there for us.
I've been in the industry for about 42 years. So I've been working construction and trucks and whatnot for a very long time. So I know a lot of different hose companies throughout the years, working with different companies. And this place is top notch. I like coming in here. They're quick, they're fast. You can't beat it.